Can AI actually make your emails look more human? In this video, I am going to put Lavender AI email coach to test to see if it can help us write better and human-friendly or natural code emails. Not sounding like robot, that's what we mean. All right, welcome to Sasmedia Studio, your go-to place for smart marketing tips, code email strategies, and powerful AI tools to grow your business. Let's get into it. Make sure you watch till the end of this video, because at the end of this video I am going to give you my best cold email tips that you need to follow. Right now, this is what we are going to learn in this video. First of all, we are going to learn how to write emails or email copy with Lavender AI. Then secondly, we are going to check the email quality with Lavender's email coach. Then lastly, we are going to talk about how we can set up Lavender AI. With Lavender, you can only use it with integration with your Gmail account, right? So when you install it, you are just going to click on the compose in your Gmail account, and automatically you can access Lavender AI. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to click on compose. Now, as you can see at the left side of the new message, we have some icons, right? So when I point the mouse on it, you can see we have start my email, then we have email coach, then we have personalization assistant, right? So now we are going to use email coach, right? But this tool or this AI tool has integrated with ChatGPT. So we are going to write some prompts or commands to ChatGPT for it to generate email for us based on what we prefer. You understand? So all you have to do is just click on ChatGPT. So let's say we offer boosting services, right? Like we can boost your social media followers, likes, views, your YouTube subscribers, and other stuff, right? So we are going to write a prompt, okay, to ChatGPT for us, for it to write the email for us. So I'm going to quickly do that and get back to you in a jiffy. So now this is my prompt. Write an email copy for my social media boosting services. Then I just added what I can do. So I can increase Facebook, Instagram, TikTok followers, likes, views, and YouTube subscribers, views, and watch hours. And also get your YouTube channel monetized within 1 month. So let's send this to ChatGPT and see what it is going to generate for us. So send. All right, so as you can see, it has generated for us. Okay, so we have our subject, which is in the bold text. Okay, and we have this. Wow, that's so many. Dang. So I'm going to copy my subjects. Okay, and I'm going to paste it over here. Now, before I copy the body of the email, let's scroll down and you can see this is it. Your email score is 75, right? So now this is the work of the email coach. So it is going to coach us on how we can write better and high converting emails, right? So it is giving us suggestions. It says use fewer words in your subject line. So what it's trying to say is that the subject is too long, right? Then the next one, it says use shorter paragraphs, okay, which is the paragraphs are too many. So looking at the content, there are many, right? Get it? Then it says shorten the email to understand 5 words, right? And remove or shorten sentences within with more than 20 syllables, right? But before we do this, what we are going to do right now is that we are going to copy the body and we are going to paste it over here. Then we are going to use the email coach to know our score, and also the suggestion is going to make for us, right? All right, so as you can see, it says 72%. So when I just click on it, so this is the Lavender email coach. So what it's trying to say is that we have too complex email, right? So this email is rated on the 11th grade reading level. Okay, so reduce of whatever. Okay, so it's going to try to reduce that. So when I go back over here, you can see I can click on the boost score. All right, and it is automatically going to boost our score. So I'm just going to click on boost score. So boost score according to Lavender's email best practices. All right, so it's going to rewrite it for me. So now looking at this, so it has generated a very few words. Okay, so it say hi, then the name of the recipient. We help grow your followers, likes, and views on all social media platforms. And want to make money from YouTube? A YouTube channel faster? We can help. Our team has the tools to make you stand out online. Let's chat. You can see this is awesome. This is very simple. Okay, and you can see this is the subject, social boost. So I can just copy this, then replace that with my subject. Then I'm going to copy the body and I'm going to paste it here as well. So I'm going to select all and paste. Now let's wait for it to give us our new score. Now, as you can see, our score is 98%. Just two more to get 100%. Now, let's click on the email coach once again. And what it's trying to tell us is that it is too formal, right? So, just copy this, my email, okay? And I'm going to ChatGPT. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make it kind of informal. It is too formal, so just reduce the formality, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to write a prompt below. You can do it above, whatever. So this is too formal. So enter, and let's see. All right, so this is it. Hey, ready to boost your social media game? We have got you covered, right? So I'm just going to copy this once again, and I'm going to paste it here, and let's see our score. All right, so our score has reduced to 94. Let's click on it, and it says let's shorten it. So I'm going to just copy this, okay? Or better, so I'm going back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell it to follow Lavender's best practices, okay? So follow. All right, so follow Lavender email coach best practices. So enter. All right, so as you can see, I think this is too long, okay? And so we are going to get a low score for this. Or better, so you can just click on it, okay? What I'm going to do is let's go back to ChatGPT, and let me copy the body over here, and let me paste it, okay? Then what I'm going to do is that based on what email coach gives me, I'm going to just write and just tell it, okay? So it's just reducing the quality. So I will just tell it to shorten long sentences, or better, so I can just tell it to shorten the email. So back to ChatGPT, shorten the email, and let's see. All right, so it has given us more shorter, okay, version of it. So I'm going to just paste it here, and now let's see the new score. So now the new score is 93. So we can, so it's too formal. So you can tell it it's too formal. Back to ChatGPT, it's too formal, and let's see what it's going to do. So you just play around with it, okay? Now when you're above 90%, you are good to go. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to just delete the first over here, and let's wait for our new score. All right, we have gotten 96. So you can keep on twerking till you get the best you want, and that is it. Now when you send this to your client, automatically they are going to reply. They are going to open and reply this. Yes, so that is it. I can even this, I think this subject is cool, even though it's longer. Now let me just add this subject, and let's see the new score. It has reduced the score anyway, but I think the subject is cool, right? But you can keep it shorter. They want it short. So this is how you can write your email using AI, and you can see, ready to up your social media game. We can help you grow your followers, likes, and views on all, okay? Or maybe I can just click on it and click on boost score. Also, whenever you see the yellow sign, that means you can use the boost score, and I think that works better than contacting ChatGPT. You understand? So I'm just going to copy this once again. Then I'm going to paste, and I'm going to copy. Okay, so that subject should be social growth. Yes, and let's see this. You see, we have gotten 96, and this is amazing. You understand? So this is how you can use Lavender AI email coach to write your email copy that sounds more human and more natural. So now I'm going to walk you through how you can set up Lavender AI. Right, so all you have to do is visit the website Lavender AI. Now before that, subscribe if you want this kind of content. Also give me some like. Right, you have to just check the description. I'll leave the link of this website there. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to this wonderful page. Now all you have to do is click on install for free. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome extension for you to add this extension to your Chrome browser. Right, I have already added it. I can just click on remove. So add to Chrome, and I'm going to click on add extension. All right, so as you can see, after adding to Chrome, it is redirecting us to Lavender. So now we can log in with our Google or our Microsoft account. So I'm just going to do that with Google. So select your Gmail account, then click on continue. All right, so now this is it. So you can go straight to your Gmail account, or better still, you can just click on go to inbox and you'll be taken to Gmail. And so this is how you can install the Lavender AI, or you can integrate Lavender AI to your Gmail account. Do you think AI can write better emails than human? Leave it at the comment section. I want to know what you think. This is what we learned in this video. In this video, we learned on how you can write email copy with Lavender AI and how you can boost your score or correct errors using the Lavender email coach. Okay, the boost score button, right? Then finally, we learned how we can set up the Lavender, or to connect the Lavender AI to our Gmail account. This is the end of this video. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.